Are you tired of doing nothing all day? Do you feel fat and colorless? Would you like to change your life forever? Then how about the interactive floor device that holds both audio and visual elements? Then I might say the Sound of Color is the right product for you. Sound of Colors works as following. By the use of your whole body, the floor will react by outputting both audio and visual elements. The product is connected to two computers, a projector, a Kinect, and speakers. This is pure perfection. Just look how much fun this is. 80% of our customers say that Sound of Color has changed their lives. 50% say they have lost 30% of their body fat by using Sound of Colors in only 2 weeks. 100% say that they will buy another Sound of Color. Hear just what our customers say about Sound of Colors.
Sound of Color changed my life forever.
I have lost 100 pounds!
I really love this product. I never thought it would change my life so easily, but I'm more active now than I'm before. First I was like... Then I was like...
Dude, this is the most awesome product ever! It takes sound and colors and makes them together. This is just awesome! Awesome!
This wonderful interactive product can be yours for only $9,999.95. Change your life beginning today. Lose fat easily, be more active, have fun. Interaction equals happiness. Your change can start now by calling 0066666666. 2 computers and Kinect not included. They can be rented at AAU in Copenhagen.